Well, she has been busy building the smartest haunted house on the block, and she's sharing all of her spooky secrets and home hacks with us here this morning. Kathryn Emery joining us. Good morning to you, Kathryn. Nice to see you.
Good morning, Eric.
And you got your son there with you, too.
Why not do it from the haunted house, right?
Yeah, exactly.
This year is a challenging one, so we figured we would make it fun here, and I wanted to share some super easy things that everybody could do at home to make their own house festive for the holidays.
And who's the guy next to you that's hot dogging this morning?
We got Hot Dog. We got Hot Dog. We'll get to him. He's definitely been helping out. Say hi to everybody.
What are some of the? Let's start with some of the smart tech that you've got in front of you. We've noticed a lot of San Diegans really going all out this year.
You know what it is? It's because let's feel good about it. So I have a great secret for you, a smart plug. I love smart plugs because anything you plug into the smart plug automatically becomes a smart home device. So think about it, Eric. Your appliances, a light, in this case, Halloween, then you can control it via your phone and then also via your voice control. So Echo, turn off Halloween. There's something else going on in the haunted house. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
It's really cool. So think about it. All those lights outside, all those inflatables, everything, set a timer and control it via your voice. So just a super easy way to make everything smart. And then also, this is really cool. Erica, you said you have these, right? These smart lights.
Yeah, and then you just have the tape on them, right? And then in some of them, they can change colors. Yeah. They're super cool.
Exactly. 1,000,000 colors. Isn't that awesome? But with this 3M adhesive here, think about it. Around the door, around the window, around your TV. Again, you can control it all via your phone and change the colors, turn them on and off. So just, there we go. We'll turn them purple. And then since we're talking about lighting, let's let our regular light bulbs get into the action, right? So again, this is C by GE. So this is all C by GE stuff. So it's the nice thing is I like it. So you can do these different colors. So
you got it all on your iPad there.
Should we put some mustard on you? Let's put some mustard on you. Let's put some relish on you. Let's put some ketchup on you.
Oh, yeah.
But when the holidays are done, you can make it that like really bright light, that like that kind of blue invigorating, or that warm white. So it's a really cool way.
I have one of those smart lights, and you're right.
In the action,
and you can dim it too, so you can change the brightness of it. That's very effective.
Isn't that awesome? All right, you guys are gonna love this one now. Now we have to have music here, right? Okay, so this is LED Plus by GE. All right, you ready to dance, Hot Dog? You can get music right out of your light bulb. Isn't
that music's coming out of the light bulb?
It's coming out of the light bulb. The nice thing is you can turn it on and off.
Wow.
And then also you can install 10 of these. So they have the BR30s for the overhead.
Sure.
And this is just an A19. No hub required for any of this stuff. This is all GE. You could go into a Lowe's and see all this stuff, you guys, and play with it yourself. And then we would be remiss without telling you how we got can you hear all the stuff going on behind us, by the way? Hopefully not. There's howling, there's things. So what we did with this haunted house, we just filleted regular garbage, contractor-sized black garbage bags, got some push pins and some electrical tape, and then we had the master here decorate it. What do you like the best? What's your favorite scene in your?
I would like the fiery fortune.
The fiery fortune. So we have little things going on. So we have like a little skeleton room behind us.
Gotcha.
We have a little fire in the other room, but it's just an easy way. You know, we figured why not?
So you're kind of setting up like a little haunted house in your garage there, basically.
Basically, yes. So we're enjoying it. We're celebrating. We're also drilling with power drills over here.
Of course, you have a power tool. You always have one in these segments.
I mean, I keep teasing you. When am I going to come in and we get to play with this stuff in person?
Right.
But this is super easy because you can create any kind of a pattern you want on there. And then it doesn't look like your traditional where it's like those little, it's just a design. So we have Boo on this one.
Yeah. I actually carved the pumpkins last night, and both of my arms are hurting me from I had 5 pumpkins I had to help carve, and using a power drill would have been a lot of help.
Exactly. I mean, it's such an easy way to do it. So just lots of cool things that you can use, especially with the lighting factor for people that maybe don't want to go this far out. You still have it. And the nice thing is you can take it through to Christmas. You can take it through to all the holidays with you, which is so awesome.
That's great. Any other DIY tips that you guys have here as people are making their plans?
Yeah. What would you think? What do you think about hand decorating some things? You want to show them some boxes? So we took some just regular boxes here, and we went with our theme here. So you can see we got a little. This is just for our haunted house because you don't want to go all out and spend all that money, doing what we did in here. But like I said, you just get a contractor size garbage bag with those scissors, and then just slice them right up the middle. And then you're good to go.
So amazing. Stella and I were talking about how it's so easy to decorate and so convenient, and especially if everything's being done on your app, on your phone, on your tablet. You can control basically the whole haunted house on your iPad there. All
of this C by G and LED Plus, it's great because, like I said, there's no hub required. You literally just screw it in or plug it in. And then I love the multifunctionality. Like, think about when you're setting your timer, and in fact, you kind of got to go, what time is it? You remember the old school ones? Now, now you can say, Echo, turn on Halloween. And she's good to go when she listens.
There it is. That's it. Kathryn, where can people learn more and get some more tips?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com.
All right,
Happy
Kathryn.
Halloween to everybody.
Happy Halloween.
The sweetest hot dog that we've seen on this show. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your Halloween. Thanks for all those great ideas.
Don't eat my brother.
Thank you.
Don't eat my brother's what?
I don't know.
That hot dog kept wanting to ask is it his mom? Question.
Yeah,
like, Mommy,
Kathryn.
question.
Yeah, he's I love his little costume.
Yeah,
that's cute.
That's the
but how awesome is it that you can hang maybe 5-10 light bulbs?
Yeah.
They not only give you scary lighting, but they can also play music nowadays, and you can control it all on your iPad.
Yeah, I mean, technology is amazing, but like if you're technologically challenged, it's a little hard.
Yeah,
right?
that might not be the route for you. Yeah, thanks for that, Kathryn.
Here's an important reminder this morning. Today is the last day for San Diegans to collect their tax refunds from the county. Residents can check sdttc.com to see